everyone. Today we are cooking with Costco skinless pork belly. Costco pork belly is very fresh and can be part of many delicious recipes like super tender meatballs flavored with applewood smoked bacon. Our cooking setup is very simple. One electric cooker does it all. Behind the cooker are pork belly and bacon, about 1 pound total to be blended. We'll also have spinach, carrots, and tofu. First, cut and blend the meat. Cut the pork belly into thin pieces. Cut the bacon into thin pieces. Cut ginger into thin strips. Blend the pork belly, bacon, and ginger together. Heat 5 cups of water while making the meatball paste. Put the ground meat in a bowl. Squeeze half a piece of tofu into the blend. Add an egg, 2½ teaspoons of salt, and a little pepper. Mix until they feel consistent. Add olive oil, sesame oil, and psyllium husk powder. Add a 1/4 cup of water and mix for a minute. Do these steps 3 separate times. Cut the carrots into thick slices. Cut again into thinner slices. Once the water is warm, about 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit, it's ready for the meatballs. Use a spoon and fist to form meatballs from the paste. Boil the meatballs, then add the carrots. Cover for 2 minutes, then flavor with about 3 tablespoons of whipped cream. Add the spinach. Heat for about a minute. Turn off the heat and add salt. Stir lightly. You can now enjoy this meal. The meatballs are very delicious, and they melt in your mouth. Please be sure to click that subscribe button for more great recipes like this. Thank you for watching.